start with probably the most famous Italian dish in the world, Bolognese. You can certainly use different types of meat as there are many regional Bolognese variations. We are using the 90-10 lean beef. Do not remove from the pan until the beef is starting to brown. Then add onions, garlic, tomato paste, and fresh tomatoes. We add fresh thyme and a packet of demi-glace to give the beef a kick. Then we add the meat back and pour in a cup of red wine and some Worcestershire sauce. The aroma is incredible. Let the bolognese simmer for at least 1 hour. Remove the spice stems, add as the spaghetti and some Parmesan Reggiano. Stir well, and this amazing dish is ready to serve. Wow! The next Italian classic is frittata, such a wonderful recipe for summer and springtime with a nice glass of white wine. We will use red onions, red and yellow peppers, and zucchini with the eggs. And for the salad, we have fresh tomatoes, olives, and basil. And here are the eggs, already blended with salt and pepper to taste. Add some Parmesan or Pecorino fresh grated cheese and let the eggs firm up just a little before it is time to place the cast iron pan in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. When it comes out of the oven, add some more Parmesan and sprinkle some salsa on top. Ready to serve. Beautiful. Every good risotto starts with the onions and some olive oil. We let them brown before adding the peppers and the zucchini. You can add a pinch of salt or two to help soften the vegetables. Next, we add the rice and let it toast for a few minutes before adding some wine. I like to use a Chardonnay. Make sure you boil off the alcohol before we start to add the stock. When making a risotto, it is important we work the stock and the rice so we get the perfect consistency. Just pour a little stock and work it into the rice. Let it simmer with a lid and then add a little more stock. Use about a fistful of rice for each guest. Keep stirring and repeat the process until it is perfect. When the risotto is at the correct consistency, we can now add butter and Parmesan cheese for a truly creamy, wonderful experience. And we will finish off by adding some shrimp, cilantro, some lemon zest, and a squeeze of juice. Wow, this is incredible!